today we're making a paper puppy. So you need a square shape the paper for this and a color pen. See? So first you need to make a triangle like this. Now you need two other triangles at the side, like this. Now you need a triangle like this. And now you need another one like this. Now all you need is just some eyes and a mouth. That's like really nice. And now but first you need to make the mouth tight. Now you can do the mouth. And here's a paper puppy. Goodbye.
Can you make another one?
Okay.
Make sure everybody understand how to make it.
Okay. So today we're making a puppy. For this, you need a square shaped a square shaped paper and a color pen. So first you need a triangle like this. If you do it wrong, then just watch my videos. Now you need two other triangles at the side, like this. Now you need a triangle like this and another same one. And now all you need is eyes and a mouth, like this. And here's a paper puppy. Goodbye.